What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how you can stake the Graph token. I'm going to show you all the steps necessary to start earning passive income with crypto. Also, we'll take a look at the rates so you can decide if that's something you might be interested in doing yourself. I'm personally very interested in staking crypto, and I do participate by staking on other projects such as Ethereum 2.0, my favorite, Polkadot, my second favorite, and Cardano. I also do earn passive income by using DeFi tools such as Compound and others. This is a topic for another video. The Graph. So the Graph is a new token, a fairly new token that mainnet, or the production network, was launched about 2 weeks ago on December 17, 2020. I actually made a video reviewing the project a couple of days after the launch. And I do recommend, if you haven't seen this one, to take a look to understand what the Graph is. I'll put the link here so you can just click on it and go directly. First of all, if you like this type of content and if you support me to keep making videos like this, I ask you please to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I also wanted to inform you that all the videos I make, I post on ativo.finance, which is a forum, a website that I'm creating for the cryptocurrency community. Okay, so if you want to stake the Graph, what you're gonna need is some tokens, of course, and a wallet, a Ethereum wallet. In this case, I'm gonna be using Metamask with the ledger. I have my ledger connected right now, and you need to go to network.thegraph.com and click on Connect Wallet. You're gonna use Metamask, and I'm gonna connect my ledger. Connect. Now I'm connected to the Graph Network's website. You're gonna notice you're gonna be a delegator. You're gonna delegate the Graph tokens to some indexers. When you go here, you're gonna see a fee cut, rewards cut, and some other information here. I took a look, and from what I understood, you gotta be careful with the fee cuts and rewards cut. Some of them will get like 100%. So basically, if you delegate your token with those indexers here, you won't get any reward for doing that. In average, the percentual reward for staking the Graph, it's about 6% a year, according to the stakingrewards.com website. So if you have, let's say, 1,000 GRTs, you're gonna get about 5 GRTs a month. One thing you gotta understand is that every time you delegate, you're gonna be paying right off the bat 0.5% for doing this delegation, and the GRTs there uses 0.5% of all the amount you're delegating is burned, right? They burn this coin. So, and these indexers charge you a percentage of their index, or how much basically crypto they make by serving the network. So they charge the query fees for every time someone actually uses their indexer, and they make money with that. They make the Graph token, right? They make that. That's how they make this income, and they share basically 80% on this case. And let me see, there's others here. I think the ones I was most interested was this P2P org and Rabina. I think Rabina is the one I'm gonna use today to delegate, which has a fair, like they cut like 15%, about 15% of the rewards of what they make, and they share the rest of their gainings with the delegators. The delegators, like me, that I'm going to delegate today, we are the ones that support the network by making it secure. When you stake, you help with the network. So we talked about 6%. What we gotta notice, I'm just gonna stake a little bit today, just for demonstration purposes. And I do not have enough GRTs to stake. I mean, I do have enough, but I don't think in my case would be very profitable. I would have to live there for a long time, like months, a few months, right? And I'm still thinking if I'm gonna do that or not. You can decide for yourself if you have enough. Basically, with 1,000 GRT, you make about 5 GRT a month. If the percentage a year is 6% a year. I think this is an average, what I think. So one thing you have to understand, you're gonna have to pay those 0.5% just when you delegate, and that's for 1,000. It's about like 6 GRTs as well. So you're gonna lose 0.5% right away, and there's also the fees, right? That network transaction in Ethereum, which is pretty expensive. We're gonna take a look at that right now. So I decided to delegate my. I'm gonna delegate only 100 for demonstration purposes. I decided to delegate to Rabina.eth, this indexer. I kind of took a look at the indexers and found this. Those two top ones are pretty good. They have some tutorials here, Rabina, and they explain. Another thing I think very important to understand is that it takes like 28 days for you to unbound. If you decided to take your GRTs out of the indexer, it takes 28 days to unbound your tokens, so you can sell it and do whatever you want with it. So that's a very important information right there. So we're gonna get this Rabina.eth. So here's the fee. I'm gonna delegate only 100 from my ledger actually. So I'm gonna submit transaction. So first of all, they're asking me to be able to spend my GRTs. So there's a fee, $1.51 in ETH to agree with this. So I need to approve on my ledger right now. Let me approve my ledger. Approved. Let's see. Okay. It got submitted. Let's wait for this transaction to confirm. So the transaction confirmed and it automatically popped up the other transaction. Basically, it's asking for more ETH, more gas. So we're gonna do the same thing here. I'll leave it be. I'm just gonna save and I will submit this transaction. Confirm on my ledger. Approve. 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 There's so many. Accept and send. All right. I sent. So if I go back here to this, there was another one, and now it's pending. This one delegating. Now we need to wait for this one. Okay, the transaction also confirmed the delegation. Let's go back here. All right. So now I don't have 1,200 GRTs anymore, and I have 99.5 GRTs. So they took 0.5% of my GRTs and burnt, right? So here's the reward cut and the query fee cut. One thing I want to emphasize here, I forgot to mention, is that this reward cut and query fee cut, this indexers, the owners of the indexers, they decide how much they want to choose for this cut, right? Some of them will be like 100%, as I mentioned. And the other thing is that they can change that at any time, basically. They want to, like, if they start with a little, like 5%, so they, get a lot of people delegating, and then they can change to 100 and nobody gets any reward, no rewards at all. right? So you gotta keep monitoring this from time to time. I chose the Rabina, and I could choose the P2P org too, because those are like kind of businesses where that's what they do for staking. They want their customers to keep coming back, I believe. So if they are not good, I can probably report later, and I'll keep monitoring this from time to time. If you do know if they're not good, if they're good, please comment. You have the comments on the bottom here of this video. You can comment and tell us, is this good? They are good business or not? Yeah, so I have here now delegated, and I'm now officially staking the graph. If I click on my wallet here, I can see which indexer I'm delegating, and how much I have delegated, and what's the fees that I'm paying, and also if I want to undelegate, I can decide how much I want to undelegate. And as I mentioned before, it takes 28 days for this to unbound, so you can have your tokens back and do whatever you want. All right, I think that's all you need to know about the delegation for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. And if you did like, please, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.